Hi guys, yeah, welcome back. So in today's tutorial we are going to be making this beautiful clothes I'm wearing. I saw it online. I was like, wow, I love this dress and I'm going to replicate it. So then I decided to replicate it and it came out just so beautiful. So I'm going to show you every process that it took me to make this dress so that you can make yours, you can all rock it together. Can you see? It's very beautiful, right? Right here I have my scissors, the tape rule, 1 yard of Ankara fabric and 3 yards of satin fabric. So I'm going to divide this into two equal parts. These are the fashion button I have. I have three type here. I have not decided which one I'm going to be making use of. When I'm done with the sewing, I'm going to decide which one I'm going to use. So these are the three types of fashion button I have. So I'm marking a starting line here. I've divided the fabric into two. This is one part of it. I folded it into two. So I'm taking the length measurements, which is 39 plus 1, making it 40. The one is for the sewing allowance at the hem. So I'm working on the back first. This is back. I'm done doing that. Like I said, this is folded into two. So I'm taking the width of the dress to be 14 plus this includes sewing allowance. So this is 14. I'm taking it down to the hem. 14 for the width up to the hem level. So I'm going to connect it to make a straight line, just the way I'm doing it. After that, I'm taking the width of my neckline for the back to be 3. The base is going to be half inch. Half inch is okay because of the collar. It shouldn't be too low. So this is it. I've curved it out. I'm confirming it again. Half inch. Then after that, I came down by 1.5 from the starting point. Then connect it to the neck points, neckline, just like this. Then I'm adding 0.5 half inch for sewing allowance. So I'm going to cut on this line I'm marking right now. That is my shoulder allowance. That's what I'm going to use to sew the shoulder. So I'll go ahead and cut it out this way. I'm done cutting. So this is the other part of the fabric. It is folded into two as well. I have 1.5 at the front for button allowance, 1.5 at the center front. So I'm going to take the neck width now. I'm making a straight line here. So I'll take the neck depth, the base, I'll take it to be 3.5. 3.5. Since I took 3 for the width, so I added 0.5 for the base. The width still remained the same, so I'm confirming the 1.5 added at the front, at the center front. So I'm connecting the neckline to the base, just like this. Connect it, then I'm cutting it out. I'm done. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and notch the center front. I'll notch it. That's my button allowance. Then cut the center front open up to the hem. It's going to be two pieces. So after that, these are the Ankara fabric that I'm going to use for the ruffles at the side. The width is 4 inches, so you can cut, it can be as long as possible, so I'm going to go ahead and join the shoulder. The front is facing the back, right side facing each other, so I'm pinning it. I'll go ahead and join the shoulder with half inch like this, and the other side as well. I'm done joining it, so this is it. I've given it a good press, just like this. The next thing I'm going to do is to measure the neckline so that I can cut the collar. I'm measuring around the neckline from the center front like this. So I have 20 and quarter, 20.25. I folded the fabric into 4. Just like this. You fold it into 2, then fold it again, making 4 pieces. So I'm dividing the value I got from the neck. This is 20 and quarter, so I have 10.1. That I'm marking here. The weight is going to be, the collar weight is going to be 4 inches. 4 inches. I will make a straight line with this way, and here as well. After that, I'll take the collar base. I'll take the collar base of 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Then mark a straight line. This is 1.5 collar base. Then on this line I came down by 0.75, that is half and quarter, and curve it this way. Then I went in by 0.75 this way. I came down by 0.75 and went in on the 1.5 by 0.75 as well. After that, I marked 0.75 here as well. So I noticed the 0.75 there is too much, so I make it 0.5. So I'm connecting it to the curve I made earlier. So I'm adding my sewing allowance of half inch now, so it will take the same shape, half inch of cutting allowance like this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it out, then add paper stay to give it more stability. I'm cutting it out now. So I'm on the machine sewing it already, just like this. So after sewing it, this is what I have. I'm going to attach it to the neckline this way. I will put the dress neckline into it, half inch, then sew it like this on the machine. Just do it this way, it's easier. After joining, this is what I have. It's looking beautiful already. We are about to be done with it. So this is the ruffle. I've made the ruffle. I've run a gather stitch on it. This is the sewing allowance, so I'll go ahead and join the ruffle at the side up to the other side of the hem, and repeat the same processes on the other side as well. the ruffle will be sewn down. I've done it. I've actually run a buttonholes. So here right now I'm marking the sleeve opening to be 12 from the shoulder. So I'll sew it down this way at the side. You can see the ruffles. I've attached them neatly. From the shoulder I marked 12 for my sleeve opening. Then I'll sew it down this way and attach the button and all the necessary things I need to do. I've attached the button, so this is the outcome of the dress. Is looking beautiful. You can go ahead and weave the side. Go ahead and weave it to keep it more neater. So this is what we have. It's looking all nice. Go ahead and make yours. Like this video, share it, leave a comment in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye.